Track them down. They're in the backyard. All right, buddies. How many have we got? Two. Shh, be very, very quiet. Hello, guys. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is it. Wild Kingdom Adventures right here, folks. Doesn't get any better than this. Crazy Saturday night. I can't wait for Thanksgiving. It's going to be great. Let's see. That one's still there? No. Go down towards the cave. Around the corner, boys and girls. I'll meet you on the other side. Little do they know I'm right around the corner. I'm gonna surprise you guys. I'm right here. Shh, guys, I'm right here. Where you guys going? Shh. Be very, very quiet. You can't see me. I think they saw me. I should have camouflaged myself a little bit better. I think it might be the bright socks that gave it away. Got nothing better to do.